Sara, you look different today. What happened? I am pregnant. I found out this morning. Oh my. Are you happy about it? Yes. But I am also a little scared. You will be okay. You are so strong. Thank you. I need to tell Mr. Black. Yes, you should tell him soon. Mr. Black, I have some personal news to share.
Make it fast. I am very busy today.
I am pregnant. I plan to keep working.
Pregnant? That is a big problem for us.
I will not miss work. I am very reliable.
I see. Let me think about this, Sara. Sara, please sit down. We need to talk.
Of course. Is something wrong, Mr. Black?
We are letting you go. Today is your last day.
What? Why? I did nothing wrong here.
It is a business decision. Please take your things.
This is not fair. I will remember this day.
Sara, please eat something. You need energy.
I lost my job because I am pregnant.
That is wrong. We will fight this together.
I feel so tired. I do not know what to do.
You are smart and strong. You will find a way.
Thank you. I will not give up. I promise.
It is a girl. She is healthy and beautiful.
She is perfect. I will work hard for her.
What will we call her? Do you have an idea?
Hope. Her name will be Hope.
That is a perfect name for her, Sara.
Now I must build something great for us.
You worked all night again. Are you okay?
Yes. I am building my own company, Tom.
A company? That is a very big dream.
They took my job. I will take their clients.
I believe in you. What do you need from me?
Just coffee. Lots and lots of coffee, please. Sara, the big clients love our new project. Great news. Tell the whole team right now. Also, a famous magazine wants to write about you. Really? That is wonderful. Set up the meeting. You built this company from nothing. It is amazing. No. I built it from pain. That is different.
Sara, a Mr. Black is calling. Do you know him?
Yes, I know him very well. Put him through.
Sara, I heard about your amazing company. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Black. How can I help you?
Our company is struggling now. We need your help.
I see. Let us meet and talk about it.
Sara, please. We need you to save our company.
Do you remember the day you fired me, Mr. Black?
Yes. I am sorry. That was very wrong.
You fired me because I was going to have a baby.
I made a big mistake. Can you forgive me, please?
I forgive you. But now I make the decisions here.
Years ago, someone said I was too weak.
We love you, Sara. You are our inspiration.
They fired me. It was the best day of my life.
That is my wife. I am so proud of her.
My daughter, Hope, taught me to never give up.
Your hardest day can be your best new beginning.